Hey guys, today I am going to show you how to install an ABS bypass switch on your Gen 3 KLR. I know there's a video out already, but the guy takes like 15 plus minutes in order to explain something that's really simple. So I'm just gonna give you the dirty. First off, you're gonna have a switch. I got a 35 amp one here. You could use whatever you want, really. I'd say, like, I think total you have like 25 amps or something worth of fuses for your ABS underneath here, so I'd stick with like a 35. So I ran 2 wires from there. I ran it through here, taped everything up into here, that way no wires are hanging. Insulated all those wires so they don't get heated up by the radiator, even though they've got plenty of room. So then the 2 wires come into here. One is going to come into what I have here. I have a inline fuse, that's a 35 amp fuse, and then I have it attached to the post on my battery terminal right there. The other wire is going to come up into here and plug right into there with just a female blade. The stock one is sitting in there somewhere, but you'll be able to see it's literally just a blade connector inside there. It's just a little fancy. So let me go ahead and show you how all this works. Alright, ignore everything I got going on up there as well. I'm in the middle of switching out some turn signals. So we are in the off position. You can see here, ABS is off. Give me 1 second, let me get going. Just wanted to get out of that sun a little bit, that way you can see that. So we're in off, alright? Go ahead and just flip that on. I don't have to turn the bike off or anything. Just gonna go ahead and go a little bit. And boom, just like that, it's off. Sorry, it's kind of really hard to do this one-handed. That's it, literally. All you have to do is just hit that little toggle switch right there. So, toggled, boom, instantly off. And that's it, easy peasy.